In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a discount on Fresha using a step-by-step guide for 2025. Whether you're new to Fresha or just looking to refresh your skills, this tutorial will help you effectively create and manage discounts in no time. So let's dive right in. First, log into your Fresha business account. Once you're in, you'll want to navigate to the left-hand sidebar and locate the marketing section, then click on Deals. This is where all the magic happens. You'll see a button labeled Create New Deal. Click on that to get started crafting your new promotional offer. Now that you're in the deal creation screen, it's time to configure the deal details. Think about naming your promotion and, if desired, providing a brief description. Although this step is optional, a catchy name and clear description can make it much easier for clients to identify and understand the offer, boosting their interest and engagement. Next, you'll decide which items the discount will apply to. Fresha gives you the flexibility to select from services, products, memberships, or gift cards based on your business needs. After setting up the basic details, we're moving on to establishing the promotion parameters. Here, you'll need to choose the duration of your deal, decide whether you want a specific start and end date or if it should be ongoing. This brings us to defining the nature of the discount. You have the option to either offer a fixed dollar amount off per item or a percentage discount. It all depends on what aligns best with your business strategy. Let's talk about limits. These ensure that your promotion is both enticing and manageable. Consider setting a limit of one use per client if you're looking to attract a larger audience without compromising your margins. You can also define the total number of times the discount can be used collectively. If needed, applying a minimum spend requirement can help ensure that the deal remains profitable. Moving on to the delivery method, you have a couple of choices. By enabling a discount code, you empower clients to use this during online transactions or at checkout when they visit your location. It's a good idea to create a memorable code that your clients can easily recall. Think along the lines of catchy phrases like 20 off or summer 24, keeping it up to 20 characters. Alternatively, you can enable the promotion at the point of sale, which allows your team to manually apply the discount during the checkout process. Now let's wrap things up by saving and promoting your offer. Review all the information you've entered, and when you're ready, click Save to make it live. You're now ready to spread the word. Make sure to share the discount code with your clients via email or social media to maximize exposure. And there you have it. With these steps, you've successfully added a discount on Fresha, enhancing your marketing strategy and delighting your clients. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful guides like this one.